time for me to make money off your hard work. All right, let's react.
As I hope we've all seen thanks to the Farm Brothers, reaction channels are the scum of YouTube. And the reason for this is that pretty much every single video that reactors make completely violates copyright laws and YouTube's own community guidelines about copyright. Now listen, let me just explain this, okay? I do not have a problem with all reactions. That is not the case, right? Here's Mr. Repsjohn doing a reaction video and there's nothing wrong with it at all. Here's a video from the Completely Unnecessary Podcast guys, who I fucking love, by the way, who are giving their thoughts on the recent Suicide Squad trailer, and again, there's nothing wrong with it at all. But here's a similar video reacting to that very same Suicide Squad trailer, which does have something wrong in it. Can you see what it is? Aside from the fact that this guy hasn't even fucking moved during the entire time I've been talking, the main problem is how some reaction videos revolve around showing the video they're reacting to in the bottom corner of theirs. And they don't just show a clip of it, they go one step further and show the entire uninterrupted video from start to finish.
I thought it was like free promotion. I thought it was a good thing.
Despite what reaction channels will tell you, the reactions they make do not help YouTubers, alright? It hurts them. Reaction channels will go and say that they do it purely to promote other channels. They're pretty much like a charity then, aren't they? So given that, YouTubers should appreciate the extra promotion, shouldn't they?
The worst things about YouTube. Reaction video.
React videos. Ah!
I really like the part where you played my video in its entirety.
Dude straight up just took my video and put it in the bottom corner of his.
Why bother going to my channel to watch that video when you can just watch that and your reaction?
But the guys that I just showed you a second ago are all huge YouTubers, right? And they're all expressing that they don't agree with reaction videos at all. 3 of those 4 YouTubers had their videos reacted to and they didn't appreciate it one bit. And they're not saying that they don't appreciate it from a creative level, meaning that they just don't like those type of videos.
He's literally just watching videos on YouTube and reacting to it.
And they just fucking sit there and watch it.
Doing those sort of videos requires no kind of skill.
They don't agree with what they're doing from a moral, community guideline, and a legal perspective.
The biggest problem with these new reaction channels is that they're not going out of their way to ask permission from the uploader of the original video if they have permission to react to it.
But I'm sure all the reaction channel fans are going to mention how the reaction channels always say that they make no money, right?
I don't get that much money from reactions. What do people not understand? I'm not half as rich as you idiots think I am.
The biggest issue you guys have is how successful we are and how little effort we are to get to that success. You should actually applaud us for that. You should be like, congratulations, man. All you do is just react to videos and you make this much money? Like...
So if reaction videos make no money, then why is this guy boasting about how much money he makes reacting? Well, it's because they lied. They do make money off reacting, and they make plenty of it. This guy is Rashad the Reactor. He's one of the most well-known reactors on YouTube. In the month that he made this video, Rashad got 3 million views in that month. So while this guy's boasting about his 3 million views a month, Tyrone Magnus gets about 14 million views a month. That's almost 5 times as much. So while this guy's boasting about how much money he makes, Tyrone made almost 5 times as much as him. Yet he still says that he makes nothing. So do you still think that he makes nothing? Or do you think that maybe he's lying and trying to cover his ass by claiming he's broke to get some sympathy? After deleting 28 million views worth of videos this month, Jinx still gained 2 million views, meaning that he got 30 million views last month. That's 10 times as much as Rashad. So do you still think that reactors make no money? Really?
You got it. You got it.
But great, reactors put a lot of effort into their videos. Yep. No, you're right. This arsehole has a reaction channel with almost 350,000 subscribers. And look at him. I see plenty of effort in this reaction. It's not like just sitting there motionless like this idiot's doing. It's something that everyone can do, is it? Jesus Christ, look at this one. That's one talented baby. What effort are you talking about? What effort goes into making reaction videos? Seriously. Tyrone even told me himself via DM that it's his charisma, voice, intellect and comedy that make his reaction videos special. And all of those qualities combined enhance the viewing experience.
Because I'll admit, like, sometimes the reactions on this channel, they can be fucking boring. And it's true, most reaction channels are like dudes who just sit in front of their computer and they just fucking like hit record and then they don't even have much of a personality. Tyrone, to me, he is one of the people that makes reactions good.
Alright, so let's test out this claim. Let's look at a reaction that Tyrone Magnus made to my video, alright? And let's have a look at how he enhanced the viewing experience of my video. My video was 16 minutes long. In those 16 minutes, with all his charisma, intellect and comedy, guess how many words he said throughout? Go on then, guess man! That's a serious question. How many words do you think that Tyrone Magnus said in my entire 16-minute video? Let me tell you, alright? 7. 7 words! I am not exaggerating this, by the way. He literally said 7 words in 16 minutes. And do you know what those words were? Oh shit, this is a long video. So not only did he say 7 words, but they had nothing to do with the actual content of the video.